Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be shooting from the kitchen because I want to quickly unbox some few things I bought from the supermarket. So yeah, let's start. We'll start with this bag. I have a few more bags. Let's start with this one. We got Mala, KCC, Mala, got some cornflakes, a few packets of milk, four of them. We got Weetabix, like a baby. I got some pasta, some yogurt, some tea leaves, tea bags, majani chai, and self-rising for pancakes. Some hot and sweet, multi-fruit, some coconut cream. I prefer these ones to from the canned ones. Blue Band. I got some tomato paste, 4 of them. Got some salt, some vinegar, more pasta, baking flour, because I bake. I try and bake. Sugar, 2 kg sugar. Ajab chapati flour, chapati flour. Flour or flour, you can call it whatever, depends on your English teacher. Some lemon and lime essence and vanilla essence. I want to bake. Cooking oil, 3 liters. More tomato paste. And we are done with the first bag. Let's go to the second bag. Here it is. Got my scoring pads. Hivyo ndo zinaitwa vitu za kuosha vyombo. Some leather imperial, just in case for visitors, because I don't use bar soap. Not bar soap, bathing soap. I prefer shower gel. Some Cortex, of course. Glade, the elegant amber oud. This is a must try. The smell is heavenly. Some wipes for the baby. What else? And more aluminium foil. Some clean film. For my sufurias. More juice, mango. I got Pride multi-purpose utensils, washing utensils, multi-purpose. I've never tried this one. I want to try this. I always use the paste, but I want to try the liquid one. So yeah, I have jig. It came with an offer. Hand sanitizer. My baby's oil. I got the small one because she has another one. Some toast Omo. I usually use Omo. Some fabric softener cuddles. I love the smell of cuddles. In fact, the blue one mostly smells heavenly, but I couldn't find it. It was out of stock, so I opted for the purple one. I want to try this one. It's lavender fresh. Yeah. I got some body wash, Blue King. This one. Jaribu. Got some serviettes. I normally use the roll one, but I couldn't find it. It was out of stock. I don't know why they were out of stock, so I opted for serviettes instead. Menengai bar soap. Got some hair shampoo and hair conditioner. And we are done with the second bag. Let's go to the third bag. What's that? Sorry. Here it is. Got some snacks. Some maize flour. Maize flour, whatever you want to call it. More flour. And then another one. So in total there are 6 kgs of flour. Got some tissue. I want to try the Naivas one. It was on offer, so I opted for this one. I will always go where the offers are. So yeah. And of course, how can you forget Pampers, small feet? Because of the baby again. Yeah, and that's it. That's all that I got. I also passed by the Imara Mall. There's a shop called Little Mall. Got some few cute items. Let's start with this one. I got a sippy cup. Is it a cup? It's basically a cup and a straw. I got this one for $150 and it's pretty. I love it. Got another one for my daughter. This one was 100 bob. Got an office organizer, pen organizer. This one I think was for 480, if I'm not wrong, 480 bob. Got a kitchen towel, hand towel, whatever you want to call it. Got some hair clips, Peppa Pig. I got two. One was going for 80 shillings. That one already broke, so I'll try fix this one with super glue and see if it works. And I got this really cute set. It comes with a cup. How cute is this? Like a bowl and a plate. As I said, it was going for, I think, 390 if I'm not wrong, 400. And another one, and it's not melamine. It's not like melamine. It's, I think they called it bamboo. They're made from bamboo, I think. That's what I was told. So yeah. And this tiny bowl. And I have a tray, a matching tray. I also got a tray, a matching tray. This bowl for aesthetics. I'll figure out something to do with this tray. Maybe put some a vase here with flowers, to nice decor. Yeah, this one was going for 20, I think, for 20, if I'm not wrong, for 20 or 3 something to 400. Yeah. I also got 2 pillowcases, pillow covers, pillows, not pillowcases or covers, pillows, because why not? And one was going for 280 shillings. How affordable is that? How affordable is that? And that's it for this video. Please remember to subscribe, like and comment if you like this video, and please kindly don't forget to subscribe so that you can grow. Until the next one, see you, bye.